How to fix Instagram Reels scrolling problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Play Store application and then tap on the search bar and search for Instagram. Just to make sure that you have an updated version of the Instagram application. So as you can see, there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Instagram application. So we're going to go back and then make a long press on Instagram and then tap on app info. This will lead us to a new page where you'll be able to see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So let's tap on clear data and then clear the cache and tap on OK. After that, you can just go back and relaunch Instagram application. If this does not fix the issue, you can just make a long press on power button and then tap on reboot and restart the device. And this might help you fix the issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.